Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Viewers, today in this video, job opportunity from 4 companies. Work location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. So let's get started. First, Amazon, hiring for software development engineering position. Work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, viewers, eligibility criteria includes programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++, including object-oriented design. Preferred qualification, BE BTech in computer science or equivalent candidates can apply for this position. 0 to 2 years software development experience, developing high quality, large scale consumer applications. Mastery of tools of trade, including variety of modern programming languages such as Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Objective-C, Python, Ruby, etc. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers. Job is officially released from Amazon Center, Hyderabad. And next job notification is from Boeing company is hiring, viewers. They are hiring associate software developer position, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, viewers, eligibility criteria includes good to have software background, preferably on full stack but not compulsory. Knowledge of cloud environment is preferred. Troubleshooting, problem solving, excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English. Key skills includes C, C++, JavaScript, HTML, storage or Azure. Preferred qualification, bachelor degree or higher, preferably from aerospace, aviation industry but not mandatory. Typical education and experience. Education experience typically acquired from advanced education, that is bachelor, and typically 0 to 4 years related work experience. Freshers experience both can apply, and equivalent combination of education and experience. Relocation benefits, if it is indicated are limited in country moves only, they are not available for overseas relocation. Yes, in the same notification, they clearly mentioned regarding job responsibilities also. Collaborate with other developers and engineers to design, build, maintain application. Build application for various platforms using common framework. Write and debug code. Troubleshoot software issues. Provide on-call support as necessary. Excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English. Always be combined for our users. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers. I am going to provide link in description. Next, Geo hiring for graduate engineering trainee positions, and viewers, job is officially posted on 12th Feb 2021. Job still in active stage. Work location Bangalore. Required education, BE BTech candidates can apply. Freshers are also eligible. Skills and competences, knowledge of 4G, 3G, 2G network, knowledge of network deployment, communication skills both written and verbal in English, analytical skills, basically good team player, business acumen. Job responsibilities includes design, plan, engineering end-to-end international networks, coordinate with device and product teams to develop requirements to support 4G, 3G, 2G roaming capability, validate technical requirements, design for enabling global roaming, that includes authentication, authorization, accounting, billing, provisioning, performance management, etc. in seamless manner. Support the preparation of technical level proposals for new network deployment, upgrades, investment with business unit inputs or internal business decisions and budgeting. Execute validation of service providers' capabilities in the terms of performance and coverage, very important point. Analyze and troubleshoot network performance and root analysis. Identify root cause issues and make recommendations for improvements. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers. I am going to provide link in description. Last is Cognizant. They are hiring for engineering full stack position, viewers. Qualification is obviously science and engineering graduate. Responsibility, user story, epic grooming and seizing, which includes track, report, effects estimated. Sized user story in the area of work concern, identify new alternate features and recommend them to the team. understand user story and alignment to the features from product owner, process improvement, implement process improvement to reduce manual intervention, support on process audit activities, and as well as candidate need to possess knowledge regarding Java, knowledge management, conduct training as approved, good to have skills but not compulsory, Spring Boot, AWS Cloud, AngularJS, Oracle. Job is officially posted on Feb 8, 2021, still in active stage, day shift job, full-time employment. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers, and I am going to provide 4 important links in description. Through link you can apply particular job which matches your profile. All the best. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you.